Keep beginning oil changey. Anyway, to get this one, you have to go. You'd go to CarQuest. You order and they give it to you. I usually dump in there to flush anything out. This will take forever to drain these fluids. It's going to be a while. Doo-doo. Of course, Advanced Auto Parts has them, but you gotta ask them to order it. They will not have this on shelf. And make sure to say motor oil, not the other regular oil they have on the shelves. This one has on the back. Time to put the drain plug back. Ooh, I almost stopped for some reason. And now we're back in. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Now tighten it up. Ah, shoot. You can't do this very well in one hand. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Make sure that stuff is on. And it takes a 13 mil for the drain plug. Don't take, because this doesn't have a squishy. Well, technically it does, but not the good type of squishy. Let me just make sure. I am doing that. I don't want to break this. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, it's not turning anymore, so I'm saying it's seated. Because it'll be a bitch in it. Yeah. Now we just gotta wipe it. Cleany, cleany, cleany. Yeah, ain't budging. I can't take it off by hand, so that's good. Loopy loop. Time to grab this out of here. Hot and nice. It works very well to drain the oil faster if it's engine a little warm instead of cold. Yeah, put it back in that hole. Poop. Brand new filter. I usually soak these, so I don't have to worry about these starving. Because this thing is known for problems. Yay! No. Don't forget to lube these O-rings. That's why I like to soak these. That's the reason why, anyway. So I don't forget. Oh. Made in Korea. Nice. All soaked. Even that covered in oil. Don't forget to oil that and see it back in its groove. There's a dedicated groove for it. Now we just shove it back in there. In the hole you go. I know! No, you dare spill on my alternator. When you tighten this, doesn't need much to tighten down. So don't over tighten, you break the plastic. I spilled some oil. At least ain't touching nothing. I'm probably smelling it. Gosh dang it. The size to tighten or take off is 5/16. Not 5/16. No, that's 15/16. Never mind. I'm a goofball. Now we just tighten it. Cool. There we go. That's it. I'm not doing it anymore. I don't want to destroy this cap because I don't want to pay how much Mopar costs for a cap. The reason I want to over tighten it, not just the top is plastic, it's also the housing plastic. Not very smart. Because if that has a crack, you're kind of screwed. Oy vey. Let me just shove 5 of these and check the oil level. Not 6. I think that's the last generation with a 6. This one says 5. It is nice oil. Now let's try to put it in. Do-do-do. And try and make a swirl. That's 2. Already put the first one already in. Oop-ah. Don't forget the cap. Put it on, cause I don't want a mess. Do-do-do. Get on. There we go. Make sure put this against the back. There we go. Tighten. 3 more to go. Also, don't forget to oil this sucker too. Still an oil ring. Let me put it down there because I don't want to make a mess. You can take mix of use and oil to make it work better. Come on, drip whatever's left out of you. There you go. There we go. Lubricate that oil cap. Do-do-do. And that goes in there more nicely than coming out. Dry as a bone and coming out. Sketchy. Of course, check your dipstick. I just closed inside. I don't want no more dust going in there. Or any type of dust. Filled on the dot. I think I need a foot. Blue towel, you don't make it, folks. There we go. Fill it up. Goodie. Okay, now we just turn on an accessory. Yeah, I know the door's open. Stop telling me. And we just go over to Oil Life. Why it's not? I gotta press it again. Unrun. There we go. That's where I messed up. Hold it. There we go. Just gotta press the OK. Now it's back to 100%. Yeah, I know, no. You happy? Stinking Jeep.